Welcome back. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to discuss simultaneous equation, fourth type equation reducible to linear equation. Example first, a by x minus b by y equal to 0. A b square upon x plus a square b upon y equal to a square plus b square. Solve these equation by reducible to linear equation. A by x minus b by y equal to 0. A b square upon x plus a square b upon y equal to a square plus b square. Equation 1 multiplied by a and equation 2 divided by a square by x minus ab by y equal to 0. This is become equation 3rd. And divide by this equation 2 by a, b square by x plus a b by y equal to a plus b square by a. On adding these two equations, 3rd and 4th, we will get 1 by x common, a square plus b square equal to a plus b square by a, or 1 by x a square plus b square taking LCM a square plus b square upon a. 1 by x equal to this, cancel this, 1 by x equal to 1 by a, x equal to a. Put x equal to a in equation 1. A by a minus b by y equal to 0. 1 minus b by y equal to 0. b by y equal to 1 or y equal to b. Answer x equal to a, y equal to b. Now come on example 2. Solve 3 by x minus 2 by y equal to 0 and 2 upon x plus 5 by y equal to 19. Hence find a if y equal to ax plus 3. Solution: 3 by x minus 2 by y equal to 0 equation 1. 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 19 equation 2. Equation 1 multiply by 5 and equation 2 multiply by 2. 15 by x minus 10 by y equal to 0. 4 by x plus 10 by y equal to 38. Adding these two equations, we will get 15 plus 4, 19 by x equal to 38. This plus minus cancel. 1 by x equal to 2 or x equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. 6 minus 2 by y equal to 0. 2 by y equal to 6 or 1 by y equal to 3, y equal to 3. Put this x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3 in equation y equal to ax plus 3. 1 by 3 plus a by 2 equal to plus 3 multiplied by 2 both sides. Side 2 by 3 equal to a plus 6, a equal to 2 by 3 minus 6, a equal to 2 minus 18 by 3, a equal to minus 16 by 3, a equal to minus 5 whole 1 by 3. This is the answer. Now come on, next question means example 3rd. Solve 9 by x minus 4 by y equal to 8 and 13 by x minus plus 7 by y equal to 101. Solution: 9 by x minus 4 by y equal to 8 equation 1. 13 by x plus 7 by y equal to 101. Equation 2. Equation 1 multiply by 7 and equation 2 by 4, we get 36 by x, no, 7 9 ja 63 by x minus 28 by y equal to 7 8 ja 56. Now 13 4 ja 52 by x plus 7 4 ja 28 by y equal to 404. This is third and this fourth. On adding (115) by x equal to this plus minus cancel 460. 1 by x equal to 460 divided by 115. 1 by x equal to 4. X equal to 1 by 4. Put x equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1, that become 9 into 4 minus 4 by y equal to 8. 36 minus 4 by y equal to 8 or minus 4 by y equal to 8 minus 36 minus 4 by y equal to minus 28. 1 by y equal to 7 or y equal to 1 by 7. Answer: x equal to 1 by 4 and y equal to 1 by 7. Example 4. Write down this now. Solve. (20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y equal to 7 and 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y equal to 5. Solution: 20 let x plus y equal to a and x minus y equal to b. 20 upon a plus 3 upon b equal to 7. This is equation 1. 8 upon b minus 15 upon a equal to 5 or minus 15 by a plus 8 by b equal to 5. Equation 1 multiply by 8 and equation 2 by 3, we get equation 1 multiplied by 8, 160 by a plus 24 by b equal to 56. This is now third equation. And this minus 45 by a plus 24 by b equal to 15. This is equation 4. Subtracting plus minus plus 205 by a equal to 41. Therefore 205 by a equal to 41, or a 1 by a equal to 41 by 205, 1 by a equal to 1 by 5, a equal to 5. Put a equal to 5 in equation 1, we get 20 by 5 plus 3 by b equal to 7. 4 plus 3 by b equal to 7, or 3 by b equal to 7 minus 4, or b equal to 3 by b equal to 3, or 1 by b equal to 1, or b equal to 1. Now x plus y value, that is a 5, and x minus y, that is v, equal to 1. On adding adding 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation 5th. 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 2. Answer: x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. This is the solution of this equation. Now all of you complete the exercise 6, all question of exercise 6b as given PDF.